Hi everyone, and welcome to another video of onboarding process. My name is Tia from DevOps Easy Learning, and today we'll be going through how to bookmark on Google Chrome, right? Because sometimes, let's say, you just you land your job and they went through the background process, everything, and you you start a new role, and sometimes you have a lot of links, right? How are you going to manage all those links? Because when they send you a link, make sure that you put that link somewhere. And how are you going to manage that? You can basically bookmark all those links. Let's say you are trying to navigate somewhere. You open YouTube and you are trying to do something, or you are reading a website. For instance, if you go to our website here, which is devopseasylearning.com, and if you hit enter here, let's say I want to keep this link somewhere so that the next time I can just go ahead and open it. How can I do so? I need to kind of bookmark that, right? And how can you bookmark? As you guys can see here, I have some folders here where I myself I organize a bunch of stuff. As you guys can see, I bookmark all my links. And if you even go to website here, you guys will see that even DevOps Easy Learning website, it is already bookmarked here, right? And those are stuff that I access frequently. Those are stuff that I access frequently. Now, how can I do this? It is like kind of really simple. When I'm here with this devopseasylearning.com, let's say I want to bookmark that and I want to create a new folder to bookmark that. I can just go ahead here and click on this star icon. When I click on the star icon, it's going to show me, hey, do you want to bookmark this? I will say, no, I don't want to do this. I'll click on this drop down and go to choose, and just choose. Let me go ahead, click here, and I am going to hit this and say choose another folder because I don't want to put it in any of these folders, right? I'll click here and just say choose another folder. As you can see here, within there, I have a lot of stuff like training, orders, web, Google Sheet, and so on. Let me go ahead and create. I can click on bookmark and I'm going to create this one here, new folder, and let me I don't want to create a new folder under, because if it's like this, okay, it is not under YouTube. A new folder. Within a new folder, let me right click here and I will just go ahead and edit that and give the name as maybe training. Let's say you are going through a training, you can create a folder here that you call training. And what is the name of this URL? Do you like it like this? If you like it like that, you just go ahead here and click save. And if you open a new tab here, you can see training is there. You have just one URL, right? Let's say you go to YouTube and you want to kind of bookmark. Let's say you want to look for our YouTube channel, for instance. You open this and you can see here, I can kind of right click here and this is our YouTube channel, right? Let's say you want to bookmark this for future use. You can go ahead and just click this and you can see here it's a DevOps Easy Learning YouTube channel. Do you want the name to be like this? Where do you want to put it? Do you want to put it under training or you want to put it in the under other folders? I want to put it under training and I can go ahead and just say done. And if you click here, as you guys can see here, it is there. Let's say also you want to bookmark maybe a conference documentation, our conference page, for instance. When you click here, you can go ahead and just hit on star and you can go ahead here and give the name. You can change this name though and put anything that you want, or you can customize the name. You can change, modify it and put what you want. I want to put it in training and done. And if you click here, so you can see well organized, and this will always be here, right? Also, I have some here for a very, very quick access. Like here, I have stuff like maybe DevOps Easy Learning, GitHub account, maybe OneDrive or Microsoft link, DevOps Easy Learning. Let me go ahead and kind of remove this one from here. As you guys can see, I have option now to add one more. Let me kind of grab this DevOps Easy Learning link for my quick access here. And I can just go ahead and hit a plus. What will be the name? I can go ahead and put the link and the name here, and I just say DEL, which stands for DevOps Easy Learning, and I can say website. And I can go ahead and say done. As you guys can see, the name will show up here as their website, and if you click on that, quick access is going to take me to that website, right? That's it for this video. If you like this video, please let me know in the comment below. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please go ahead and do so. And also, please don't forget to follow us on social media, such as LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and so on. Thank you. Bye-bye.